This Halloween, don't get spooked by the eerie sounds of the night. Discover nature and learn some common owl calls that you might hear. The barn or monkey-faced owl's voice is harsh, with screeching, hissing, barking, and clicking sounds commonly found in old barns. This owl is welcomed for its hunting prowess. The great horned owl is easily identified by its series of 3 to 8 deep hoots. These owls like forests, suburbs, city parks, and open countryside. Barred owls prefer deep woods, around rivers and swamps. During the darker owls, you can hear their hooting pattern that sounds like, "Who cooked for you? Who cooks for you all?" The witch-like scream of the screech owl is not so much a screech, but rather a soft, mournful whinny. As predators, owls play an important ecological role in controlling mice, rats, frogs, lizards, insects, and rabbits.